Does look like fog hanging low on the water there, but it looks like a fog. All right. The Pet Slop Boys. Ooh. Actually went kind of straight that time. Okay. Well, maybe this is New Order. I don't know. So much warmer at the top. Like really warmer. Wow, here it's like totally warm. Alright, so that's one more time of chasing the golf ball. One more game, one more round of chasing the golf ball. Go get it! Oh yes. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champion of the pool. It's kind of nice. I'm getting hit by this jet over here that's got a hot water pouring out of it. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to retrieve the nuclear codes which have been dropped in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean by accident. As of right now, the entire world is converging on this location. Can you get there first? Yeah, no problem. I got this. Hold my beer. Okay. We did it, but we took significant water into the ear on that one. I'm going to have to pause this recording. Get that water out. Medical issue.